Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I hope you all will be fine and safe at your homes. I'm your teacher Sabah Fuzel. Today I will teach you English. Let's start our day with the name of Allah. First we will revise the group lesson. In group lesson, we will revise Surah Ikhlas, first kalma and dua for seeking knowledge. All of you say after me. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد. Now we will revise first kalma. First kalma tayyib. Tayyib means purity. La ilaha illallahu Muhammadur Rasulullah. Now we will revise dua for seeking knowledge. Rabbi zidni ilma. Rabbi zidni ilma. O my Lord, increase me in knowledge. Ameen. Now we will sing alphabets poem. Which poem? Alphabets poem. All of you sing with me. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Again, all of you sing with me. Hurry up. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time want to sing with me. Very good class. Clap for yourself. Now it's your reader time. All of you look here. Today we will learn new letter H and the sound of H is H. All of you do the action with me. H. H. Hill. Hill mean पहाड़ी. माउंटेन्स जो होते हैं वो बड़े बड़े पहाड़ होते हैं और जो हिल होती है वो छोटे पहाड़ को कहते हैं यानी पहाड़ी को. एज हिल आ हिल. एज हिल आ हिल. नाउ लुक एट द हिल. व्हाट इज एट द टॉप ऑफ द हिल? अ हाउस. एज हाउस. एज house, a house. H hill, a hill. H house, a house. And look at the hill. Who is standing there? A boy is standing there. And what is the boy doing? The boy is waving his H hand. The boy is waving his hand. H hill, a hill. H house, a house. H hand, a hand. All of you wave your hand. Very good. Now it's your writing time. Today we will write alphabets A to Z and we will also write vowels. Now we will write alphabets A to Z plus vowels. Let's start. This is the dot for A. Start from the dot. Look carefully. Take a round turn. Make semicircle. Go up. Come down. Make small hand on the line. A. B. Straight come down. Touch the third line. Now reverse back. Take a turn from the second line and make semicircle on the third line. Then stop. B. What comes after B? C. Start from the dot. This is the starting point. Put your dot same like that on the third line. Now start from this dot. Take a round turn. Touch the third line. Make semicircle and then stop. What comes after C? D. Start from the dot. Come down straight. Touch the third line. Now reverse back. Take a turn from the second line and touch the third line again, making semicircle like this. This is D. A, B, C, D. Now what comes after D? E. This is the dot of E. First we will go forward, make a small cap, now go up, touch the line and make semicircle and stop it here. This line and this line should be equal. This is E. What comes after E? F. This is the dot of F, but put your pencil a little bit down. From here you will start F, go up, touch the dot, take a round turn like this. Now come down straight, touch the third line and stop. Now make small hand on the second line. What comes after F? G. Start from the dot, make semicircle, go up, touch your dot again, come down straight, but before touching the line you will take a round turn like this. What comes after G? H. Start from the dot, come down straight, touch the third line, now reverse back, but before touching the second line you will take a round turn like this and then come down straight again. What comes after H? I. I straight and put a dot here. What comes after I? J. First come down straight, but before touching the line, we will take a round turn and put your dot here. What comes after J? K. Straight come down, touch the third line, now go slant, touch the second line. Now put your pencil in the center of the slant line and again go slant. K. What comes after K? L. Straight come down, before touching the third line, we will take a round turn and touch the line. I, J, K, L. What comes after L? M. बहुत बच्चे M wrong लिखते हैं. Look carefully how to write M. Straight come down, touch the third line, stop. Now reverse back, but before touching the second line, you will take a round turn. आप क्या करते हो? यहाँ से सीधा ऊपर touch करते हो. That will be wrong. Reverse back, take a round turn, touch the second line, then come down straight. Again go up, again take a round turn, again come down like this. This is M. Now N, straight come down, same like M, you will write N. Straight come down, touch the third line, now reverse back. Before touching the second line, you will take a round turn and then come down straight. What comes after N? O. O is round and round. Now, what comes after O? P. Straight come down, touch the fourth line and stop. Now put your pencil on the second line and make semicircle like this. P. Some students like P like this. That will be wrong. थोड़ा सा आपने पीछे की तरफ चलकर जाना and then make semicircle. What comes after P? Q. This is the dot of Q. First you will make semicircle. Now go up, come down straight, touch the fourth line. Now you will go slant and touch the third line and stop. ऊपर की तरफ नहीं जाना. Stop it on the third line. Now what comes after Q? R. R is same like N. But N full line को touch करता है. R half line तक आएगा. Look here. Straight come down. Reverse back. Take a round turn. Touch the second line and stop. What comes after R? S. This is the dot and this is the line. Use the dot between the second line and the third line. बहुत light सा. Start from your dot, make seeker, touch the dot, then ulta seeker. Like this. What comes after S? Teacher. Start from the dot, come down straight. Before touching the third line, you will take a round turn. Make small hand on the second line. What comes after T? U. U. Start from the dot. Before touching the line, take a round turn, go up,
come down, make small hand on the line. V, slant, again go slant. W, 2V makes W. No body will come down straight. You will go slant. Again go up slant. Again go down slant. Again go up slant. 4 times you will make slant line. 1 slant line, second, third and fourth. 4 times you will go up and down, up and down. What comes after W? X. First start from the dot, go slant. Stop it here. Now use the dot in the center of this slant line. Now start from here. Touch your dot and cross it. X. What comes after X? Y here. This is the dot of Y. Start from the dot, take a round turn, go up, come down straight. Before touching the line, we will take a round turn. And then touch your line. Like this. What comes after Y? Z. This is the dot. Put your dot on the third line. Equally. Now, move back. Make small head. Now go slant. Touch your dot. Again go back. Like this. This line and this line should be equal. Y, Z. Now read with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, X, Z, Y, Z, Z. Now here are vowels, and vowels are 5. A, E, I, O, U. Vowels are 5. A, E, I, O, U. What is the first vowel? A. Start from the dot. Go back, make semicircle, go up, come down, make small hand on the line. What comes after A? Vowels. Second vowel is E. A, E. Start from here, go forward, now go up and make semicircle. Stop it here. This line and this line should be equal. A, E. Next is I. Start from the dot, come down, touch the line and stop. Put your dot here. A, E, I, O. O is round and round. A, E, I, O, U. Straight come down, take a round turn, go up, again come down, make small hand on the line and stop. This is U. Vowels are 5. A, E, I, O, U.